Now, we're tackling Section 7 of the Arizona Residential Purchase Contract, Remedies. This section might not be the most exciting, but it's incredibly important because it explains what happens if something goes wrong during your transaction. Section 7 addresses what remedies are available if either party fails to comply with the contract. Think of it as your safety net if things don't go as planned. First, let's talk about cure periods. If either party believes the other has breached the contract, they can deliver a cure notice. This notice gives the other party 3 days to fix or cure the problem. This 3-day window is important because it gives both parties a chance to resolve issues before more serious actions are taken. If the problem isn't fixed within those 3 days, the contract specifies several possible remedies. For buyers, if the seller breaches the contract, you can either cancel the contract and receive your earnest money back, or you can seek specific performance, which means asking a court to force the seller to complete the sale. For sellers, if you as the buyer breach the contract, the seller can either cancel the contract and keep your earnest money as liquidated damages, or they can seek specific performance. The contract also addresses what happens with earnest money if there's a dispute. If both parties claim the earnest money, the escrow company may wait for a court order or written authorization from both parties before releasing the funds. There's an important provision about attorney fees and costs. If either party files a lawsuit related to the contract, the prevailing party is entitled to have their reasonable attorney fees paid by the losing party. The contract includes an alternative dispute resolution option. Before filing a lawsuit, the parties can agree to mediation through the State Bar of Arizona or another mediator. This can be a less expensive and faster way to resolve disputes. Finally, there's an exclusion of damages provision. This limits the types of damages that can be recovered in a dispute. Specifically, it excludes special, indirect, or consequential damages. Understanding Section 7 helps you know what options are available if problems arise during your transaction. While we all hope for smooth sailing, it's good to know what protections you have if challenges occur. In our next video, we'll cover another important section of the purchase contract. Stay tuned for more insights to help you navigate your home buying journey. Any questions about remedies in your purchase contract? Let us know in the comments below.